In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a basic discount in Woocommerce using the Finale plugin. Whether you're running a small online store or managing a large e-commerce site, offering discounts can be a great way to attract customers and encourage sales. Let's get started on setting this up quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to WordPress.com. This is where all the magic begins. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform for creating and managing your own website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Click on the Login button, which you're likely familiar with, as it almost always greets you at the home page. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the command center for your site, giving you access to tools, settings, and data. In the dashboard, look for Woocommerce. This is the plugin we'll be working with, and it is one of the most popular e-commerce tools for WordPress users. Click on it to enter its world of commerce options. After accessing Woocommerce, you'll need to click on the Settings tab. Think of this as the gears of your online store, where you can fine-tune details to match your business needs. In the settings, there is a section called General. This is where you'll make the adjustments necessary to implement your discount. Within the general settings, there's an option that says Enable Coupons. This is the key feature that allows you to offer discounts and special offers to your customers. Make sure that this option is checked or enabled. By doing so, you're giving your customers the opportunity to apply discount codes during their checkout process. It's worth noting that offering discounts can significantly impact your sales positively. It can help clear out old inventory or promote a new product. So ensuring that coupons are enabled can be a vital step in your trading strategy. Also, consider planning when and how often to offer these discounts. Too frequent discounts might undervalue your products, while too sporadic might not engage your audience as intended. That's all for the basic setup. Once you've completed these steps, your WooCommerce store is ready to start offering discounts using the Finale plugin. If you need more customization, be sure to explore other options and settings both in WooCommerce and within the Finale plugin. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find success with your newly set up discount feature. Remember, the e-commerce world is one where adaptation and planning ahead are key aspects of growing your business.